How to obtain petrified sapling in Minecraft. To obtain a petrified sapling in Sky Factory 4, you will need to have a few items. You will need to have 8 dirt acorn, 1 dirt sapling, and a drying rack. You can create a drying rack very easy from 1 oak log. You can find a video about this in the description of the video. To get a petrified sapling in Minecraft, you need to use this recipe on your crafting table. You need 1 dirt sapling and 8 petrified acorn. To get a dirt sapling is very easy. You can get it by breaking leaves on a tree. To obtain a petrified acorn, you will need to dry a dirt acorn. Go to the drying rack, select the dirt acorn and then right-click the drying rack. You will start to dry the dirt acorn. You will see a progress info when you look at the drying rack. Please note that the drying of all 8 petrified acorn with 1 drying rack will take around 10 minutes. You can create 2 or 3 drying racks to get things faster. After the progress is done, just right-click the drying rack and a new petrified acorn will appear. Do this until you have 8 petrified acorn. Then go to the crafting table. Follow this recipe to get a petrified sapling. After you get a petrified sapling, just plant that and break leaves to get another sapling. Now you know how to get a petrified sapling.